If you have ever asked owners to sell their example of this iconic wagon, you have probably found out the hard way that there are at least 7 reasons why Subaru Outback owners get furious when asked to sell. Because we are talking about probably the most versatile car you can buy, one that can do it all. Logically, why would anyone want to trade in such a vehicle unless they want to get a newer model? Let's start the countdown. Number 7. Solid powertrain options that actually work. The Outback offers something most competitors can't match: genuine powertrain flexibility without the reliability nightmares. While other manufacturers chase complicated turbocharged setups and questionable hybrid systems, Subaru is building their reputation on engines that actually last. The base 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine is putting out 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. This isn't about winning drag races, it's about delivering consistent, dependable power for decades. Outback owners know this engine is going to run for 200,000 miles without major issues, something that can't be said about the complex powertrains dominating today's market. For those wanting more performance, the turbocharged 2.4-liter engine is delivering 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. Even with forced induction, Subaru is maintaining their focus on durability over flashy power figures. This Turbo 4 offers impressive performance while preserving the mechanical simplicity that keeps repair costs reasonable. But here's what's really exciting, current owners: the hybrid is coming. The Japanese carmaker is bringing electrification that maintains Subaru's reliability philosophy while delivering the efficiency modern buyers demand. Everyone is going to get the opportunity to configure a version that perfectly suits their needs, whether that's maximum efficiency, strong performance, or proven durability. Number 6. Spacious and practical design. Thanks to its wagon body, the Outback is offering something that traditional SUVs simply can't match: genuine practicality without compromise. The vehicle provides not just 2 spacious rows of seats, but plenty of cargo space that actually makes daily life easier. The Outback's 32.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row expands to an impressive 75.6 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. This isn't just about numbers, it's about real-world utility that lets owners handle everything from weekend camping gear to large furniture purchases without renting a truck or making multiple trips. But here's what really separates the Outback from competitors: the low-load floor. Unlike high-riding SUVs that require lifting heavy items above your waist, the Outback's wagon design keeps the cargo area at a reasonable height. Loading groceries, luggage, or sporting equipment becomes effortless rather than a workout. Outback owners understand this practical advantage intimately. Why would anyone want to trade such a vehicle for something less functional? The Outback takes the best aspects of both cars and SUVs while avoiding the compromises that make other vehicles frustrating to live with daily. Number 5. Strong off-road performance that surprises everyone. The Outback is walking a fine line between wagon and SUV, and one of the biggest benefits is strong off-road performance that consistently surprises both owners and skeptics. With impressive ground clearance and an excellent all-wheel drive system, it's very capable off the road, more capable than most people realize. Standard models offer 8.7 inches of ground clearance, which exceeds many SUVs that claim to be off-road ready. The symmetrical all-wheel drive system is providing constant traction to all 4 wheels, creating confidence-inspiring performance on everything from snowy highways to rocky trails. But the real off-road champion is the Wilderness trim, which impresses even more in this aspect. The Wilderness is raising ground clearance to 9.5 inches while adding all-terrain tires, enhanced underbody protection, and specialized off-road tuning. This isn't just marketing. It's legitimate capability that lets the Outback tackle trails that would challenge dedicated off-road vehicles. Outback owners discovered this capability gradually, often by accident when road trips lead to unpaved adventures. They realized their wagon is handling terrain that would stop most sedans and many crossovers cold. This creates a deep emotional connection because the vehicle enables experiences that wouldn't be possible with conventional alternatives. Number 4. Ride quality that defies physics. Despite the high ground clearance and strong off-road performance, the Outback is also pretty impressive on the road. Smooth ride quality is achieved thanks to the Outback's specific construction: the boxer engine, low center of gravity, and all-wheel drive system working together to create something remarkable. On the road, the Outback rides like a sedan. Off the road, it's a real SUV. This seemingly impossible combination stems from Subaru's boxer engine design, which sits lower in the chassis and creates a reduced center of gravity. The horizontal engine layout provides perfect balance while reducing vibrations that plague conventional engine configurations. The suspension tuning takes advantage of this low center of gravity to deliver composed handling that belies the vehicle's 8.7-inch ride height. Body roll is minimal in corners, while the ride quality remains smooth over broken pavement and expansion joints. For Outback owners, this ride quality becomes addictive. They realize they can enjoy SUV-like capability without sacrificing the comfort and refinement they expect from a premium sedan. The vehicle handles daily commutes with grace while remaining ready for weekend adventures that would require different vehicles for most other owners. Number 3. Bold and aggressive next-generation styling. This is a pretty good moment for buyers to get their lifetime companion. On one side, there is the new generation that looks bolder than ever before, and all those SUV lovers are going to like it. On the other, those who don't like the new look have yet another reason to keep the previous generation model. The 2026 Outback is adopting a more upright and boxier silhouette, moving away from its traditional wagon roots toward a more SUV-like appearance. The front fascia features stacked headlight clusters and a larger upright grille for a chunkier, bolder look that commands attention on the road. Along the sides, sculpted sheet metal and pronounced wheel arches continue the muscular theme. The rear section has been completely reimagined with a more vertical D-pillar and an upright tailgate design that eliminates any lingering wagon associations. Current owners are experiencing something unique. They're watching their vehicle evolve while maintaining the core characteristics that made them fall in love with the Outback originally. This styling evolution creates a win-win situation that makes selling feel foolish. Why trade away a distinctive, capable vehicle when both generations offer compelling advantages that aren't available from any other manufacturer? Number 2, excellent reliability score that speaks volumes. The Outback is traditionally one of the most reliable cars on the market, which is crucial for long-term ownership. While other manufacturers chase complicated technology and flashy features, Subaru is maintaining their focus on proven engineering that prioritizes durability over marketing gimmicks. J.D. Power is giving the 2025 Outback a predicted reliability score of 80 out of 100, which places it in the great category. But the real story lies in the long-term ownership experiences of hundreds of thousands of Outback owners who routinely see 200,000 miles and beyond with minimal major repairs. The Boxer engine design provides inherent reliability advantages that competitors with conventional engines simply cannot match. The horizontal layout creates perfect balance, reducing vibrations and mechanical stress that lead to premature wear in traditional V6 and inline-4 designs. This reliability creates fierce loyalty among owners. They understand they've found something increasingly rare, a vehicle that actually improves with age rather than becoming a financial burden. When maintenance consists of oil changes and routine service rather than expensive repairs and system failures, ownership becomes genuinely enjoyable. Number 1, the most complete car around. With all the things we've talked about, it's easy to conclude that this is one of the most complete vehicles to buy. It's hard to find anything more versatile because the Outback takes the best from both worlds but doesn't bring major compromises thanks to its specific construction. The Outback delivers sedan-like ride quality and fuel economy while providing SUV-level ground clearance and capability. It offers wagon-style cargo space and practicality while maintaining car-like handling and maneuverability. This combination of benefits without significant compromises is virtually impossible to find in today's specialized automotive market. Add to this the long list of standard and available features, and its value becomes undeniable. Standard all-wheel drive, comprehensive safety technology, and proven powertrains come at prices that undercut most premium alternatives. The EyeSight Driver Assistance Suite provides advanced safety features that many luxury brands charge extra for or don't offer at all. For many, the Outback is a perfect car, and that's a reason to keep it forever. Owners realize they've found something unique, a vehicle that excels at everything, rather than specializing in one area while compromising others. Whether the daily drive involves highway commuting, school pickups, weekend adventures, or emergency situations, the Outback handles everything competently. This completeness explains the fury when dealers suggest trading up. Outback owners understand they've already found the ultimate vehicle, one that adapts to their changing needs rather than forcing them to adapt to its limitations. Why trade perfection for compromise? The answer is simple: they won't. As we can see, the Outback is one of the most versatile vehicles on the market, but that might not be the only kind of quality that makes owners want to keep their car forever. Check out this video about the reasons why Mazda CX-5 owners get furious when asked to sell, which you can now see on the screen. Mazda's compact crossover impresses in a completely different way, with its unparalleled driving experience and level of elegance that typically comes with way more expensive cars.